Okay, friends, we're going to play a math game. So in your brown bag that you got from Meet the Teacher, you have a dice. And you also have some pom-poms. Now you have erasers too, so if you don't want to use the pom-pom balls, you can use erasers for what we're about to do. I need you to get a piece of paper. You can use white paper if you have it, or the manila, which is kind of the color like my table paper that's in your ABC journal. Now watch what we're going to do. I'm going to make boxes, so I'm going to fold my paper like this. Okay, so I have, now it's like that, so 1, 2 sections, but I want to make 6, so I'm going to fold it again this way. Ready? All right, and then I'm going to fold it like this, and I want to have 6 boxes, so hopefully I did my folds the right way. See how I'm pushing my paper down? So folding is a good kindergarten skill too, so I'm going to unfold my paper, and let's see, I should have 6 boxes. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, with a pencil, I am going to have you write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to do our number poems. Are you ready? In the first box, we're going to write straight line down. Then you're done. That's how you write the number 1. Then next to it, I'm going to write around and back across the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Then here I'm going to write around the tree, around the tree. That's how you make the number 3. In this box, I'm going to do down, across, down some more. That's how you make the number 4. In this box, I'm going to do a 5. Make his hat, make his back, make his chubby belly fat. 5. In this box, I'm going to write the number 6, and I need to look up the number 6 poem. I'm really good with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you're going to take your dice. Are you ready? I'm going to roll it on the table, and I'm going to try to keep it on the table. Ready? I'm going to count how many did I get. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take 3 pom-pom balls and put them over the number 3. I'm going to roll again. 2. I'm going to take 2 pom-pom balls and put them in the number 2. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to take 4 pom-pom balls and put them in the number 4. Remember, you can use your erasers for this activity too, or you can use your pom-pom balls and your erasers if you need to. Okay, friends, now you can play this game as many times as you want. And guess what? This is really cool. You can also play with a partner. So that means you could play with mom and dad, or if you have a sister or a brother at home, you can play with them too, or a grandma and grandpa. So you can play this game with a friend and you can take turns. That makes this game extra fun too. Now, when you are ready, you can clear your mat off. And guess what? You can roll and play again. So we're matching the number on the dice to the number on our mat. All right, friends, enjoy playing your game.